check out what we were given. This is a made in Japan style type Viking knife. Yep, that's it. A Viking knife. Now, it has a really nice leather sheath that buttons up. And when you pull this thing out, check this out. Now, this is an all the way through tang. As you can see here, the backbone is part of the steel that runs all the way through. Has a point back here that you could put a lanyard. But hey, check this out. It's got a hole for your finger. So, as far as feeling it, yes, it's nice and sharp. It's got that feel of serrated metal right there, as you can see the different styling. Nice walnut handle, feels good and everything like that. And this is ready to play. So if you are in need of a great little knife that you can just cut real fast through like butter, get you one of these.